It isn't easy to make videos, and it isn't cheap to make videos. So why make videos? Let's start with hard data. What do millions of people do every night to relax? They watch video. Canadians watch well over 4 hours per day. And more people are watching video on the internet. Video now makes up 78% of internet traffic and rising. 20% of that is cats, but still, that's a lot of video. Video results often rank higher in search results. People are more likely to share a video, and 81% of senior marketing executives are now using online video content in their marketing programs. And more people are experiencing the internet through mobile devices. By 2020, there will likely be 2 or 3 times as many smartphones as computers. Over 40% of time on mobile devices is spent watching video, and this will likely rise to over 50%. Simply put, everybody watches video online, including you, obviously. And why does everyone watch video? Because video is the ultimate media. It can do images, it can do audio, it can even do some text. And unlike most other mediums, it can do motion. Because it can do so much, video is the most efficient means for the viewer to quickly absorb information. Now, video is not necessarily the best at everything. It's not the best way to present a lot of information. Websites and brochures are both better at that. And it's not interactive like a website or an app. But anybody who wants those things needs to already be interested. They need to know who you are, what you do, and are you trustworthy. Video provides that introduction. If someone arrives at a website and there's a video to watch, they'll watch the video because it's quick and it's easy. We're all busy and getting busier. When you click play on a video, you know you can just relax for a bit and watch. So that is why you should make a video. It's not quick and easy to make, but it's quick and easy to enjoy. And the data speaks for itself. People love video, and we'll all be watching even more of it in the future.